Did you know that a plant once shrouded in controversy is now helping millions find relief, clarity, and balance naturally? Today on Natural Earth Living, we're diving into the fascinating world of cannabis, how it supports both physical and mental health, and how understanding the different types Indica, Sativa, and hybrid can help you choose the right path for your wellness journey. The history and stigma shift. For centuries, cannabis has been used as a medicine from ancient China and India to the Middle East. But only recently has modern science begun to catch up, recognizing its powerful therapeutic potential. As laws evolve, so does our understanding and appreciation for this natural remedy. Physical health benefits. Let's talk about how cannabis supports physical wellness. Chronic pain relief. Cannabinoids like THC and CBD interact with the body's endocannabinoid system to reduce inflammation and pain, especially in conditions like arthritis, fibromyalgia, and migraines. Muscle relaxation. Great for people with multiple sclerosis, muscle spasms, or recovering from intense physical strain. Appetite and digestion. Cannabis can stimulate appetite, ease nausea, and reduce digestive inflammation, making it helpful for chemotherapy patients or those with IBD or Crohn's. Sleep support. Certain strains promote deep, restorative sleep, helping those with insomnia and restless nights. Mental health benefits. Now let's talk mental clarity and emotional balance. Stress and anxiety relief. CBD-rich strains calm the nervous system without the high. Many users report feeling more centered, present, and emotionally grounded. Depression and mood disorders. Certain cannabis compounds boost serotonin and dopamine levels, helping to lift mood and improve emotional well-being. PTSD and trauma recovery. Research shows cannabis may reduce nightmares, anxiety, and emotional flashbacks in people living with PTSD. Focus and creativity. Sativa strains, in particular, can stimulate mental energy and creativity, great for artists, writers, or anyone needing a fresh perspective. Types of cannabis and their effects. Choosing the right type of cannabis makes all the difference. Here's a simple breakdown. Indica, think Indica. Best for relaxation, pain relief, muscle tension, and sleep. Great for nighttime use or unwinding after a long day. Effects. Sedating, calming, full body sensation. Sativa. Uplifting and energizing. Best for creativity, socializing, focus, and daytime use. Effects. Cerebral, mind-focused, sometimes euphoric. Hybrid, the best of both worlds. Hybrids are bred to balance the calming effects of Indica with the uplifting properties of Sativa. Some are Indica dominant for evening relaxation. Others are Sativa dominant for daytime focus. Choose based on your personal goals. Remember, everyone's body chemistry is unique. Start low, go slow, and always buy from a reputable legal source. Cannabis and natural living. Cannabis isn't just about getting high. It's about getting back to balance, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Just like herbs, food, and meditation, it can be part of a natural lifestyle rooted in intention and respect for the earth. You can even grow your own in many places, organically, naturally, and sustainably. Thanks for exploring this amazing plant with us today on Natural Earth Living. If you've used cannabis for wellness or are curious to start, drop a comment below and share your story. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more nature-powered health tips. Natural healing is just a plant away.